Hey, what's up with your robot vacuum? Can't move smoothly and the wheel is worn out like this? But fear not. Trust us to bring your robot back to life. Let's see how we can help our customers with their robot vacuum problems. Oh no, our customer's Roborock S5 Max had a worn-out tire that led to a serious malfunction. So the customer wanted us to fix the robot vacuum, so it runs like new. Take a look. The wheel rubber grips are totally worn out. Look at the wheel here, it's a little difficult to move. No wonder why the robot vacuum isn't working right. Fear not. We've got the perfect solution, a wheel replacement, but we are not stopping there. We examine all sides of the robot again to investigate further. OMG! Dust piles everywhere. Look at the dust clog on this castor wheel. Both sides are filthy. The fan suction is also dusty. To get the best results, we also recommend deep cleaning service. With the customer's approval, we replaced the tire and performed a deep cleaning service. To make sure that the robot vacuum works, we'll test it before returning it to the customer. And now, the robot vacuum shines as we restore its performance to the max. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair? Expert diagnosis and solutions. Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.